Today I'm going to show you how to make this social media design in Canva. First, change the background color to any color you want. Let's choose yellow. Go to elements and type curve line graphics and choose this style of elements. Let's use this one and change the color to white, and you can change the color by going to edit photo, view tune, cherry, and choose white color in both of these squares. Resize and download as PNG with transparent background. Upload it again and drag your image. Edit photo, remove the background, and now let's try to make a part of this curve line above this person. Resize this picture to fit the page and crop it. And here is the final results. It's very easy. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.